Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to schedule messages on WhatsApp Android. Head to the application store, search for Skedit Auto Message Scheduler and download it onto your device. Once the installation is complete, open the application. Inside the Skedit application, you will see a plus icon, usually located at the bottom right or top right corner on the screen. Tap on it to create a new scheduled message. A list of available messaging apps will appear. Tap on WhatsApp to choose it as the platform for your scheduled message. After selecting WhatsApp, tap on the plus icon again to confirm your choice and select WhatsApp once more from the list of applications. A prompt will appear asking for permission to access WhatsApp. Tap on OK to grant permission. Scroll down in the Skedit app settings until you find the option for Skedit. Toggle the switch to allow display over other apps. This step ensures the Skedit can function properly. Once you have granted the necessary permissions, go back to the application. Tap on the plus icon again, then select WhatsApp. Write your messages in the provided text box. You can also add attachments like images or videos by tapping on the attachment icon. Below the message box, you will see options to set the date and time for sending the message. Tap on these fields to choose when you want the message to be sent. You can select from different scheduling options such as one-time, daily, weekly, or monthly. Choose the one that fits your needs. Once you have filled in all the details, tap on View Schedule Summary to review your scheduled message and everything is correct. If you want to be prompted before the message is sent, you can toggle this option on. After reviewing the schedule summary, tap on the confirm button to schedule your message. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos.